When tools and materials need to be transported flexibly from A to B, the Clipoflex workplace transport trolleys are the perfect companions. This is where the Clipoflex workplace system really comes into its own. Reliable, fast, versatile. Thanks to the Clipoflex mounting module. The possibilities are endless for constantly changing requirements and for all daily necessities. The Clipoflex transport trolleys offer creative solutions for space-saving storage. With trolley options for all applications. Also available in standard pallet dimensions. As flexible as your work. The Clipoflex workplace transport trolleys. Works your way.